Okay, so hey, so good morning everyone. So I'm here using the Loom to record this short tutorial about as a home business owner, as a digital network marketer, or you are pivoting from offline as a home business owner, as a network marketer to from the offline to the online way. So what are the in the digital space, right? What are the main components? What are the moving parts to have a complete process, complete digital system to help you to have the ultimate leverage? Okay, ultimate leverage so that you are using a system to automate majority of your businesses and you leave the minimum whereby the high quality leads that you intended that you want to recruit them into your team or they are your high quality potential customers. That would be something maybe you want to spend your time with, and the rest of it will be you'll leave it to your digital system whereby it allows you to have the leverage of your because of the automations so that your time is invested in the right kind of people. Okay, so here we go, and I'm using the Canva Pro account to show this presentation to you, this tutorial to you. And before I go dive deeper, and I would like to show you a new feature. I'm also a Canva champion, which is in also known as a Canva affiliate. Okay, and having said that, right, Canva just released a new feature called Whiteboard. All right, and from the Canva Pro account, you can actually right click. Well, okay, now I'm on the Whiteboard feature, so I can't really show you in this video. All right, so probably I make in future other tutorial video about Canva Pro new feature whiteboard features to you. For now, I'm going to show you the moving parts of a complete system, which is shown in this my second slide, right? And okay, here we go. I'm going to blow up a little bit for you to see. So in a nutshell, right, there's only three main components as I've divided up by the dotted lines here. All right, I'm using a pictorial way to help you to understand that these are the moving parts that you're going to piece them together to form a digital system to automate your network marketing businesses. All right, so on the first component would be the social media side. Simply to understand that is that all your traffic, that means all your attention, all your potential customers are in this space. So over here, all kinds of social media platform, right? And over here, you have to understand that there's two kinds of traffic. Okay, and in the digital marketing world, the experts call them number one, traffic that you don't control, all right, because it's controlled by the big brother, like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, you name it, they're all there, right? Okay, and the other one would be you have temporary control, okay, of the traffic, which is you can understand it as a paid advertising. That means you pay money to all these big brother platform, and they help you through using their database and technology to direct the eyeballs, the attention onto your content that you have posted onto their platform. All right, and because the control traffic is temporary, and the other one that is that you didn't pay for, which is on the social media traffic, right? It's actually it's not that means these two types of traffic are not in our control, right? Which means there is a risk of us losing control. That means we'll lose them if, for example, if you do not have that kind of awareness, you leave all your contact lists on the platform, and what happens if this platform, for some weird reason, they actually shut down your account and ban you? It happens to many people, including the top digital marketers around the world. So because of all these important lessons they have learned in the past, right, they have, in a very genius way, go on to create something that is a middle way whereby we have the ultimate control, which is the third type of traffic called own traffic. And they are actually our subscribers and our customers. And how do you actually have that, to have their own traffic is through this thing called a funnel, right? A funnel. You direct the traffic from the social media and come over to your funnel. And the funnel, okay, is something that you are in total control. You're the owner of that thing, okay? Because you subscribe to the funnel hosting platform, for example, like GrooveFunnels, ClickFunnels, which I'm pretty good at, okay? And to construct all this, whereby you direct them all over there to start creating your email list of subscribers. And inside the funnel, you can also complete your low ticket product, okay? And because you are the owner of this platform, okay, pardon me, you're the owner of the database, so you do not have the you do not run the risk of that you are being banned or being shut down, okay, because it is not a social media, okay. Then subsequently, as we all know that not it's very unlikely, especially we are maybe not a big brand yet, okay, we are building our personal branding, right. It will take a while for us to convert, for the first time from having our traffic coming into our funnel. So that means how do we have eventual closing, eventual sales, or eventual converting all this traffic that we can successfully recruit people into our team in our network marketing business opportunities, right? Would be this thing called the follow up, which is the third component, whereby in the digital marketing world, whereby we can have a total automated way to do our follow up. It's not by making phone calls, okay? Phone calls is left to the last, whereby these are super duper high quality leads, okay? Then we use our time to actually prospect them through phone calls, through Zoom calls and stuff like that, or through direct messaging. But before that, to nurture that kind of your own traffic, right? We use this thing called the email marketing campaigns. Okay, and I over here I name a few. For example, I use Aweber. I also dabbled before with Zapier. Mailchimp is another famous brand. You get many. Okay, you have Get Response, Active Campaign, and so many. Whereby you can use that to automate your follow up. Okay, they call it the email marketing campaigns. Okay, whereby you sequence out your various email 5, 7, 10, or 20, or even more emails to follow up and nurture your list or your email list of subscribers or your low ticket purchase customers. So in a nutshell, these are the three main components for you as someone who is going towards as a digital network marketer. These are the things that you have to take note of. Okay, so I hope you like this short tutorial. It's almost 10 minutes now. Thank you for watching, and if you need that additional in-depth understanding about the strategy and the tactics, right, please do leave me a comment or contact with the person that actually showed you this video. So I will see you in a more tutorial that I'm going to prepare in the future. Okay, follow, share, and like this video. Thank you very much.